Marc and Mandy. Some things you don't want to miss when you want to sell for top dollar. Cleanliness is next to godliness, so make sure you do a deep clean. Clean those high traffic areas. Hire a professional if you need to. It goes a long way. Second is street appeal. Make sure to prune your hedges and edge the lawn and put a splash of color. Some fake flowers go a long way. And then you want a floor plan. Buyers need to know which way the kitchen's facing, which way the master bedroom's facing. That is very helpful. And in this day and age, do a drone video. It shows the amenities in the neighborhood and it gives that extra pizzazz to your listing. And last but not least, don't forget a few very important photos, like the pantry, the walk-in closet, that third bathroom that buyer wants to know what it looks like and what it has. Make sure you don't miss the sheds and the outbuildings, and even the garage. Good luck.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.